Welcome to our video today, where we're going to explore an important topic in the world of Ansible, the stdout callback option. If you're working with Ansible, you might have encountered this concept before. But have you ever wondered if it can handle error values in this video? We'll dive deep into this question and provide a thorough explanation. Ansible is a powerful tool for automating tasks and managing configurations across multiple systems. It's widely used in the industry due to its simplicity and flexibility. However, as with any complex system, there are nuances that can be tricky to understand. The stdout callback option is one such feature that can be confusing, especially when it comes to handling errors. In this video, we'll break down what the stdout callback option does, how it works, and most importantly, whether it can handle error values. By the end of this explanation, you'll have a clear understanding of this concept and how to apply it in your own Ansible project. So let's start with the basics. The stdout callback option in Ansible is used to specify what happens to the output of a task or module. By default, Ansible captures the output of a task and stores it in the result variable. However, you can customize this behavior using the stdout callback option. There are several types of callbacks that you can use with Ansible, including debug, ignore, and JSON. Each of these callbacks serves a different purpose. For example, the debug callback is used to print the output of a task in a human-readable format, while the ignore callback simply discards the output. Now, let's talk about error handling. In Ansible, errors can occur when a task or module fails to execute correctly. When an error occurs, Ansible will typically fail to play and stop executing further tasks. However, you can customize this behavior using the stdout callback option. Here's where things get interesting. The stdout callback option can indeed handle error values. In fact, Ansible provides a built-in callback specifically designed for handling errors, the onError callback. This callback allows you to specify what happens when an error occurs during task execution. For example, you can use the onError callback to retry a failed task or to execute a different task when an error occurs. You can also use this callback to simply ignore errors and continue executing further tasks. Let's consider an example to illustrate this concept. Suppose we have a play that installs a package using the apt module. If the package installation fails, Ansible will typically fail the play and stop executing further tasks. However, we can customize this behavior using the onError callback. We can specify that if an error occurs during package installation, Ansible should retry the task after a short delay. This way, even if the initial attempt to install the package fails, Ansible will automatically retry the task until it succeeds or reaches a maximum number of retries. So, what are from this discussion? Firstly, the stdout callback option in Ansible is used to customize the behavior of output handling and error handling. Secondly, Ansible provides several types of callbacks that can be used with the stdout callback option, including debug, ignore, JSON, and onError. Thirdly, the onError callback allows you to specify what happens when an error occurs during task execution. You can use this callback to retry failed tasks, execute different tasks, or simply ignore errors. Finally, remember that Ansible provides a lot of flexibility when it comes to handling errors and output. By using the stdout callback option correctly, you can create robust plays that handle unexpected situations gracefully. We've explored the stdout callback option in Ansible and its relationship with error values. We've seen how Ansible provides several types of callbacks that can be used to customize output handling and error handling. Most importantly, We've learned how to use the onError callback to handle errors during task execution. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content related to Ansible and automation. Thanks for watching. Hail.